In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step instructions on how to replace the back camera on the Samsung S20 FE model SMG781B. As you can see, we get a warning camera failed when we try opening the camera up. So we will dial this code to get into the secret service menu to check which camera is faulty. The front camera seems to be doing great. Now the back camera seems to be blurry, so that can be the cause of the problem, or the app to not open up. It's also not focusing, and it seems like I can't take a picture, so that's a bad sign. We'll try replacing the camera module, but first turn off the phone, and hopefully that will fix the problem. So to start the repair, we are going to place the phone on a heat plate for about 5 minutes to get it nice and warm. If you don't have a heat plate, you can also use a hairdryer or a heat gun to achieve the same effect. My heat plate is set to 90 degrees Celsius, which is equal to 194 degrees Fahrenheit. The purpose of this is to soften the adhesive under the back cover. So, after heating the back cover for 5 minutes, I'm going to use a single-sided razor blade to create a gap at the bottom of the phone and carefully lift it up. You can also use a plastic cord for this. Then I'm going to create a bigger gap using a plastic guitar pick. I'll insert it about 3 to 5 millimeters and run it along the edges. When it gets a little stiff, I'll add some isopropyl alcohol to soften the adhesive and make the cover easier to remove. Then gently lift the back cover up. Just like that. That was quite easy. Now put the back cover aside and make sure to cover it or place it with the adhesive facing down, like I did, to prevent dust from getting into the camera lenses. Now, you can also cover the camera lenses on the phone. However, you can choose to not do that. But then make sure if there's dust in the camera lenses to just blow it out. Never touch it. Don't use a cotton swab or nothing on it. Next we will unscrew the Phillips 00 screws that hold the plastic shield in place. Let me know in the comments below if you're trying this repair yourself. I'd love to read your feedback, as it will motivate me to make more videos for you. Now gently pull up the plastic shield from the right side and make sure to disconnect the battery first. Now disconnect the camera module. and place the new one and connect it. Then we can connect the battery. And the shield with the wireless charging connector. So now we will test if that fixed the problem. Now we'll test the camera up again. And we see that it's not giving us any warnings. So that means that something changed, but it's not fully working. So we will go to settings and go to the camera app. And clear the storage, data and cache. Now we'll test the camera app again. And we see that it's working. That's great. We'll fully test it. Yeah, it's a little bit yellow because of the covering. So don't worry. It's all working great. Just fully testing. Making sure everything works great. Now we'll test that again. And we see it's not blurry anymore and it's focusing great and making pictures, so that's great. Now we're going to reinstall the Phillips screws to secure the plastic shield. Now I will remove the protection for the cameras. Remember, if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button. I will do my best to upload a video once a week. The adhesive on the back cover is still in good condition and it will be fine to resecure back onto the phone. If your adhesive doesn't come off very nicely, then you can use some Tessa tape, which is good double-sided tape, or you can use T7000 or B7000, which is a foam repair glue. Now we're just gonna make sure that sits nicely all around the edges and apply a bit of pressure to make sure it's stuck well. So that's how to replace the back camera on the Samsung S20 FE. Thank you for watching and see you next time.